I'm going to go over a pair of heated socks. Look at this nice premium package these things come in. Nice and dark. It's just got a line on it that says heated socks on it. And I have not looked at these yet, so you guys are seeing them for the first time that I'm seeing them. Let's just open them up here. And right away, open them up. There's an instruction manual right on top. And by the way, you will have to download an app, which I will download the app and show you how these things work. Looking at all that, that looks really good. We'll go over that here in a minute. Let's just go ahead and open the rest of them up. You get a plug-in that looks like it has 2 barrel charges, and it's a 1.85 amp charger right there. 2 batteries. Oh, I like the little batteries. They're curved little batteries. Hold down the button. It gives you a power indicator. Battery level check button. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so you get a little battery level check button there. Another battery there. And this right here, here's the actual unit. I went ahead and went with the large, and I usually wear large. I wear a size 9, and once right away, oh wow, these things feel amazing. These, look how great these look, everybody. Wow, these look really good. And this right here is a package that you put the sock down in to wash them, so you can kind of keep them together. You want to remove the battery, put them in this, and that's how you wash them. So let me go ahead and clean all this up, get the batteries loaded, and get the app downloaded, and then let's see what these things do. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, I downloaded the app, and the app is called Q Warmer, and I have an iPhone. It's available on iPhone and Android. And once I downloaded the app, I went ahead and plugged both in the batteries, and then I went to Find New. So you go here, and then there's a Find New right here, and it automatic. This app is very impressive because it connected like that. There's the socks left and right. So it gives me the size and how much battery's left. You can see right there. These both have kind of like 3/4 of the way a battery. And then there's an app update. There's a user manual. You can kind of go over everything. Very impressive, this app. They spent a lot of time setting this app up. It was very easy. Once you turn Bluetooth, allow it to do Bluetooth. And it looks like there's other things. It looks like there's a little jacket there and maybe an insole or something. I'm very interested in these 2 items too. It's I went ahead, and it looks like it goes everywhere. You can adjust them. Look how it does on both. So you see what it's on. Right now I'm on 86 degrees, and you can go to Fahrenheit. You can go off. You can just go off or all the way. There's a timer. I love how it's got, you can just do timer where it just runs continuous, or you could adjust this timer 48 minutes all the way up to 120 minutes so you can conserve your battery power there. So let's just go 120 on the timer, and check it out. These go from 86 degrees, and you slowly lift them up. 93, 109. I can go all the way up, all the way to 158 degrees in the app. And then right here, I can go 2 minutes, right there, 5 minutes, right there. Is that not awesome? And then check it out, everybody. It lets you know that they're on. Let me tuck the batteries down in here, and to put the batteries in, there's a curve to them. This goes, and then it's a nice, like, firm snap. Y'all hear that? That snap. Same way with this one. There you go. So you can use it without the app. Check it out. You can use it. You can hold these down. Now what it did, it just let me, the left is off. Now the right's off. And then to turn them on. So let's say I don't have my phone with me. I just hold this down for a few seconds, and right there, that comes on. Hold that down, and that comes on. And then if I want to change the temperature, I can change the temperature, and you see that it starts at 130. Well, this is 130. Now it's 150. But this one is still on 86. And yeah, you can just rotate out between all the colors. The temperatures there. How impressive is that? Now that I've had this one on for a few minutes, what I got here is a thermometer. This is an infrared thermometer. Let me just go ahead and take a baseline right here so you can see this. So there's nothing back here. Y'all see that? 78.9. And you see where it's taking the temperatures at. So what this is, oh, these are heated nicely. They seem to heat in a complete circle right here. This is the outside temp. 125, 138. And it's kind of right on par with that. 133. And what's on top of the toes? 136. How I can tell y'all, these feel amazing. These feel really good. I've not had these on as long, but where are these at? My light just went out, 70. These are on 127. They heated up fast. 120. Let me go ahead and put these on and put my shoes on and let me walk around and see how these feel. It is getting colder here in the southeast, so let's go ahead. Let's fire these babies up on my foot and see what it feels like. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, walking around some. So I put my shoes on, and I could tell y'all these socks are thick on the toe area, exactly where they are, but they feel really good. And I don't really notice this right here. You can see that these are still on, but I can feel the heat heating up. Let me take my shoe off and show you. This, let me see, there's elastic right here. So all of the heating, because how many people have cold heels? It's your toes. And I love the fact that what these guys have done, they figured out just heat this area around here and make that whole area warm. And that's really all you need, because you don't need to heat all the way up the leg or anything. So at first I didn't think they would be this good, but I absolutely love these things. I love the fact that the tops of my toes and the bottom of my toes, all the way down to where my instep is where these things are heated at. And then to turn them off or adjust them, just hit that. And I can go through all of them, or I could hit the app and use them all. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the, the heating socks. Pick you up a pair with app. See y'all in the next video. Woo!